welcome back. On today's video I have to do an announcement for an open invitation for July 2020 Makeup Challenge. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just keep watching. Now, this challenge was created by Elena Jenkins here on YouTube, and it was launched this month. So we had first video on June 19. I will link the playlist down on this description box video, so if you want to find out more about that, just go and check that out. And she decided for the next month, for the month of July, to name me as her co-host on this challenge. So I'm really excited and honored that she thought on giving me this wonderful task. So I'd like to invite you all to participate to July 2020 Makeup Challenge. And now I want to give you some details about this challenge. And because my memory is short, I have with me my mobile where I have all the rules written down. The July 2020 Makeup Challenge will due on July 17. The theme for this makeup challenge is summer. So you can create your favorite summer look and you can use whatever palette you want to achieve that. You need to add hashtag July 2020 Makeup Challenge somewhere on your description box. By adding that, your video will be more easy to be found by anyone who will click on that hashtag, and everybody will be able to see the entire playlist of all the participants. Also, please mention Elena's channel somewhere on your video. Doesn't have to be in the beginning, in the end of the video, wherever you feel comfortable to do that. And also please mention my channel together with Elena's video, as I'm the co-host for this month's challenge. In your title of the video, please add July 2020 Makeup Challenge on the body of the text. It will be also more easy to be visible and to be found. And also please schedule your video for July 17 at 10 AM Central Time. The playlist for the participants will be released on July 16, so one day ahead the challenge due, and it will be posted on both Elena's community tab on her channel and on my channel, and you will be able to add your video on that playlist. All the rules will be also listed down below on the description box, and the last rule is to have fun. That being said, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you will participate and we will see together all our creations on 17 on July 2020 Makeup Challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to Elena's channel. And other than that, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next channel, on my next video. And I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Bye bye!